What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are going to be painting the interior of my truck. It is currently black right now. I don't like it anymore because it's starting to peel. I've seen a couple of videos where people use this. It's an LVP. It should be good paint. We're going to try it out. It says it won't crack or peel, so let's just check it out. As you guys can see, the whole interior is black. This one messed up, but I already got one from the yonke. Ya agarré uno del yonke, so lo vamos a reemplazar. Como pueden ver, es negro. Este ya también se está empezando a pelar. So vamos a empezar. We're going to start by removing everything. We're going to start removing every single trim because I'm going to paint every single trim. Gotta go get the 7s, take off all these little screws. Okay guys, so I got the driver's side. Now I'm gonna get the passenger side, the door panel. Okay guys, so now we're gonna take off the seat to take off the center console. I'm gonna spray that too. Get in there in the bolts. Okay guys, so I took off the 4 10mm bolts that are in there. It just comes off, just pull it. The bracket just stays there. And then we take this one off, and that's it. I'm gonna take the whole center console apart so it could be better. So we don't paint this inside part. So the center console becomes 3 parts. This is the back of it. That's the top with the lid. And then this is the side. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the dash. This is how it currently looks. It's all scratched up. Let's see how it ends up.
Desde Fontana, California, dice más o menos así, el narquillo. A los 15 años cumplidos empezó a chambear macizo. A los 17 años se vino acá con los gringos. Dejó a su madre querida, también a sus hermanitos, y mi padre está en el cielo. De ellos jamás yo me olvido. En las calles de Fontana es donde radica el viejón. Su pistola bien facada, se ve el cinto Louis Vuitton. Skywalker me relaja, escuchando un corrido, la del 700.
Okay guys, so I got all the trims painted. This is how it looks. And now it's time to reassemble everything. I'll show you guys at the end of the video how it all came out. Okay guys, so this is the final result. This is how it all ended up coming out. To be honest, I really liked it. It's way better than the first black paint that I threw on it. I'm missing a couple parts. I'm gonna have to hit up the yonke. I'm missing the door thing, the lock, and I'm missing this. But overall, highly recommended anybody that wants to change the color of their interior. And if you're on a budget, this is the best way to go. This will be all for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll be uploading more videos on little updates that I'll be doing to my truck soon. Stay tuned.